Ecological pyramids. The concept of ecological pyramids was developed by Charles Elton, and hence these pyramids are also known as Eltonian pyramids. The pyramids are a graphical representation which depicts the number of organisms, biomass, and productivity available at each trophic level. Ecological pyramids begin with the producers at the bottom, like plants, and they proceed to various trophic levels, like primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary, etc. The highest level is at the top of the food chain. There are three types of ecological pyramids. First type, that is pyramid of energy. The pyramid of energy describes the overall nature of the ecosystem. During the flow of energy from one organism to the another, there is a considerable loss of energy in the form of heat and respiration. For the primary producers like autotrophs, these are more amount of energy. Here you can see it is 100%. The least energy is available in the tertiary level. Thus, the shorter the food chain has more amount of energy available at the highest trophic level. Here we can see that is 10% energy law. The transfer of energy in the food chain is limited, and hence there is a number of trophic level in the food chain is limited. There is almost a loss of 10% of energy from one trophic level to the other. Hence this is known as 10% energy law. It was proposed by Raymond Lindman. This energy of pyramid is always upright and it is vertical because flow of energy in the ecosystem is always unidirectional. Next type of energy is pyramid of number. Here there are three types of pyramid of number, that is, one is upright pyramid, second is partially upright pyramid. In many books there is only two types, but there is also another type, that is partially upright. And next is inverted pyramid. Coming to the upright pyramid, this type of pyramid of number is found in the aquatic and grassland ecosystem, where in this ecosystems there are numerous small autotrophs which support to the lesser herbivores and then support to the smaller carnivores, so on. So this is upright pyramid. Whereas partially upright, that is found in forest type of ecosystem, where the producers are lesser in number and the greater number of herbivores and in turn fewer number of carnivores. So this is partially upright pyramid. Next, coming to the, this is, let us see, this is producers and this is herbivores and this is consumers. It is in the form like this. Next, coming to the inverted pyramids. This type of ecological pyramids is seen in the parasitic food chains. There are numerous parasites which support to the more number of hyperparasites. Various producers and these are primary consumers are parasites and secondary consumers are hyperparasites, which depends upon the parasites. Next type of pyramid is pyramid of biomass. The pyramid of biomass is more fundamental as represents the quantitative relationship between the standing crops. The biomass is the net amount of food and energy collected from each feeding level and then dried and it is weighed. Here you can see it's also a dry weight or is the biomass, and it represents the amount of energy available in the form of organic matter of the organisms. There are two types of pyramid of biomass. In some of the books there is only upright pyramid, but inverted pyramid is also present in pyramid of biomass. Coming to the upright pyramid of biomass. This occurs when the large amount of biomass of producers support a smaller weight of the consumers. It is seen in the forest. Upright pyramid is seen in the forest. Whereas inverted pyramid is seen in the aquatic ecosystems. This happens when the smaller weight of producers and larger consumers are present. Here primary consumers and secondary consumers. So this is inverted pyramid. Is also seen in the pyramid of biomass.